Yo, welcome to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. The FOMC was today. Jerome Powell kept the rates unchanged. Now we're going to have to wait for September. Hopefully, we get those rate cuts then. It made the market a little volatile today. I got stopped out of some stocks. You can see CrowdStrike. I got into it thinking we were going to remount these two moving averages on this day and then continue. This is a good risk to reward. You're getting a 4-to-1. But I got stopped out today. As you can see, it went below my stop loss. I'm going to keep my eye on it. Maybe we could find some support, remount these moving averages, and I could re-enter. Meta. Meta, I got out because there was earnings after hours. As you could see, it's up 10% post market because of the earnings. You see, I didn't know this was gonna happen. It could have went the other way. It could have gapped down 10%, and I could have been in the negative 10%. So that's why I wanted to get out. If I stayed in, it would have been nice, but it is what it is. Looking at hindsight, I got into MU today. As you can see, it's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. It's remounting the blue and yellow line as our 90 MA and the 50 SMA moving averages. I wanted to continue. Hopefully, we get back to these highs at 124, maybe 129. As you can see in the weekly chart, it's pulling back right on the 9 EMA. So I'm hoping for a bounce off the 9 EMA and we can continue going a little bit higher for MU, which they deal with semiconductors, which their semiconductors are like the one sector that is not down today. So we'll see. Hopefully, they continue being hot. Crypto is also volatile after the Fed and the whole day today. As you can see, my watch is all red. I did get stopped out of some positions in my crypto swings, and some I had to just sell early. I'm still in Solana, ENA, and Hype. I had to sell some Say. I took some profits in Say. I would look to re-enter. Hopefully, we remount the moving averages and the pattern gets a little bit more clean. TRX, I'm hoping for a cleaner pattern as well. I took some profits. Pepe, I got stopped out. I got my stop loss under the 50 SMA, this yellow moving average. So I got stopped out on that one. Ave, I didn't like anymore. As you can see, we got in off the bounce off the yellow line, the 50 SMA. Now we're pulling back deeper and crashing. So I got out before the stop. I'm going to wait for some support. Injective, same. It's breaking pattern. I want a deeper pullback to the 200 SMA or 50 SMA, and then I could re-enter. And that's it. That's my updated portfolio, guys. We'll continue looking. Bitcoin is consolidating. We need Bitcoin to rip off so our altcoin bags can continue and follow.